Hi guys! Guess what? I lost 10 pounds, which is awesome. I'm so proud of myself. Clap for me. Clap. Do it. Do it. I deserve it. I didn't think I was gonna lose any weight. I felt so discouraged and very upset at myself because I was putting in a lot of work and I wasn't losing weight, and I didn't want to weigh myself anymore by the second week. I'm starting a new program. It is called Get Lean and Stay Healthy 2.0.
Hold me closer, hold me fast. This magic spell you cast. This is La Vie en Rose.
I can't feel my legs.
You ain't got no legs, Lieutenant Diane.
Brad and I went to Costco because we wanted to find healthy snacks. I'm a snacker. I love snacks, and I don't have a lot of snacks here in the house. So I'm going to show you what we bought. So I do not eat cereal every day. I'm not a cereal girly, and the only cereal I will eat is Cocoa Pebbles, but that's not healthy. 7 Sundays. 100% real food, no refined sugar, gluten-free. What is gluten-free? ¿Quién sabe? This is what I got to replace my cereal cravings in the middle of the night. No sugar. Nobody likes that. Next, for Smart Mouths. I was gonna say for Brad, but that's actually for me. So the reason why I got it is because all of the ingredients are very natural. 12 grams of protein, 0 added sugars, so 8 grams of dietary fibers, which is really good when you be pooping. It's chocolate sea salt, peanut butter chip, and almond butter chip. I don't know about that almond butter chip, but I'll eat it. Brain nutrients. It's gonna make me smarter. IQ bar. And then we got these that are RX bar. Ay, santo Dios. Anyways, this is Rufus. Can you see Rufus? Ay, qué bonito. Qué bonito. He's a little baby. You're just a baby. He's just a baby. He's so tiny. So tiny. Anyways, so we bought RX bar. It doesn't have any like artificial stuff. So that's what I was looking for whenever I went in there. Next, overnight oats. 20 grams of protein. 20 grams of protein with 6 grams of fiber. So you can poop it out. Oats overnights, high protein oatmeal shakes, add milk and refrigerate. I mean, how easy. I don't think I'm gonna drink these, but Brad is gonna drink these. So everything that I've been showing you is very sweet, and I am not a sweet person. I'm a salty person. So I bought these Chomps original beef sticks. 10 grams of protein, 100 calories, 0 sugar, not a low calorie snack. Not a low calorie snack. Oh, because it's 100 calories, I guess. I don't know. People talk about them a lot, so we're gonna try them out. And then grain-free tortilla chips, dairy-free, Fuego. They are not Fuego. They aren't. They are just a little, like, it's a little bit of spice. It's not even a lot of spice. Gluten-free, dairy-free, grain-free, soy-free, vegan, and paleo. So no good, but we're eating healthy. So this is what we have to eat. But I'll eat that instead of hot Cheetos. So it's a win. California Snackin' bite-sized salami and provolone cheese. I like them. They're good. As you can tell, I already ate one because I got snackish. Brad really likes fruit. He likes grapes and he likes blueberries. So we bought those for him. And then these are so good. I could eat a whole bag, but I shouldn't. S'mores bites, cinnamon swirl bites, and birthday cake bites. I'm not a huge fan of the birthday cake bites, but I do like the s'mores, and I love the cinnamon swirl bites. So this is what they look like. We bought these at H-E-B. I bought this one first, which I'm not a huge fan of. And then we bought these. These are legit. So now we have the mini versions. So yes, these are really good. They're drizzlicious. Because, oh, they're drizzlicious because they have stuff drizzled on top of them. So yeah, that's what we bought at Costco. We also bought a bunch of meats and chicken and stuff like that. And then we went to Hobby Lobby because I wanted fall stuff. And right now it's a little decorated already, like fall. And I know it's August 2nd, I get it. It's not fall yet. But in my eyes, it is fall. It's potpourri. It smells like pumpkin and fall. Aren't they cute? You like them?
He takes their toys, babe.
No, he's just smelling them. Okay, why are you licking your lips, bro? They're not for you to eat. Wait a minute. I also bought this one. I thought it was really cute. Right? Is it cute? You better say it's cute because it's cute. And then I got these for the outside. I got 3. Look at it. Thankful. Grab the mic. The karaoke party game for people who can't sing. Oh, babe. This is for you. I'm just kidding. That is all we bought. And we have healthy snacks for our healthy lifestyle, which is a good thing because it's good for us. It's 7:30 and I haven't worked out. So let's go to the gym. To be doing 4 sets of all that, and I'm not gonna do it. I hope we both continue to work out and be healthy and try to be better for ourselves each and every day and show up for ourselves because nobody's gonna do it for us, but we have to get up and we have to put in the work. And I feel like that's what we need to do, and we have to do it. Don't forget to love yourself, be confident, and do not let anybody steal your joy. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you.